Welcome to Technology Zone, your ultimate destination for high-speed machines, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance on 2 wheels and 4. If you love raw power, thrilling speed, and bikes that dominate the track, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the beast of 2026, the Suzuki Hayabusa Drag Racing Edition. Suzuki has taken one of the most iconic sport bikes ever made and pushed it to a whole new level. This isn't your average street Hayabusa. This machine is tuned and tailored specifically for the strip, built to crush the quarter mile with insane acceleration and top-tier stability. Under the fairings, the 2026 Hayabusa drag bike retains the legendary 1340cc inline-4 engine, but with major upgrades. We're talking about high-performance pistons, forged internals, and a specially calibrated ECU that ensures the engine delivers extreme power at the right moment. Add to that a turbocharger option on select builds, and you're looking at, well, over 300 horsepower. More than enough to make this Busa a missile on wheels. For drag racing, weight is the enemy. So Suzuki has stripped this model down and given it a lightweight chassis, carbon fiber components, and a custom extended swing arm to handle the insane torque without losing control. The result is better traction, more stability off the line, and a longer wheelbase to keep that front wheel planted. The quick shifter, launch control, and adjustable traction system give riders complete control, even when launching at full throttle. You can feel the bike's commitment to performance in every inch, from its aerodynamic bodywork to its specialized drag tires designed for maximum grip. Visually, the Hayabusa drag version looks fierce. A lowered stance, aggressive body lines, and bold graphics make sure this bike turns heads before it even hits the throttle. And when it does, the scream of that engine is pure adrenaline. Suzuki knows what drag racers need: power, precision, and reliability. And the 2026 Hayabusa delivers all 3. Whether you're on the track or tuning in from the sidelines, this bike is built to impress and engineered to win. If you want more updates on the world's fastest bikes and cars, make sure to subscribe to Technology Zone and stay ahead in the race. See you in the next one.